freeze watch. For the following locations in Colorado: Fort Collins, Boulder, and the western suburbs of Denver, Castle Rock, Greeley, and Byers. Freeze watch in effect from Wednesday evening through Thursday morning. What? Sub-freezing temperatures between 22 and 28 degrees expected. Where? Fort Collins, Boulder, and the western suburbs of Denver, Castle Rock, Greeley, and Byers. When? From 10 p.m. Wednesday through 9 a.m. Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold.